Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know my lids are bright, but we are going in with the Primal tonight. So if you would like to see what I create, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Good. Well, you know, as far as can be. But I wanted to create a look with the Primal palette. I mixed a little bit of my Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair and in White together. I didn't go all in with white, but I mixed it together. And I did powder it this time because the white was just a little thick where it was getting to the bottom. So I want to create something with warning. I am so in love with this color. It is not even funny. And I know I've already kind of went down that row, but I'm going to use some of the pinks in this palette, and I might even grab my blends palette. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to start out with Lethal, the darkest color in the palette. And I am going to put this in the outer part of my crease. And I'm going in with the Blendbunny B1. This is just to deepen up the crease. I hope what I have in my head will turn out on my eyes. We're going to a concert tonight. I said I was not going to be online. This definitely isn't being online, so I will post this next week. But this is Labor Day weekend, and I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. This concert that we're going to is a more sit down concert. And I'm going in with the Refer 15. It is at a theater here in our town, and you can sit down and one band plays, and then the other band plays, and then the audience cheers for which band they thought was better. So it's the Stones versus the Beatles, and this is a cover band that has actually opened up for both bands. So it should be actually really good. Did anybody pick up the new Blendbunny highlighter palette? You know I did. I have bought every single thing that Maggie has launched, and it, her stuff just speaks for itself, man. I'm telling you, she is the queen of all queens. Anything that she makes, it's just wonderful what she does. Turns to gold is what it does. And as soon as I hit order, it shipped. Who does that? So I want to go back in with a little bit more of Lethal. Going with my Refer 14, and then just kind of blend that in between. Then I'm going to go in with the pink, and that is Nectar. As y'all can see, I'm just going up and down. I kind of want the colors just to, and I see right now that I have to deepen up warning because this is going to, I need to deepen up warning first. Trying to do another match my shirt. I do pretty good at matching my outfits. I think I have done many outfit match my shirt or what I'm wearing, so I'm pretty good at that. So this is what I'm trying to do tonight is match my shirt, or match my look to my shirt, I guess you could say. Okay, and now I'm going to go into the white. I need to switch off a brush. Go into the white. And I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this matte or if I'm going to add some glitter to it. My shirt does have glitter in it. So I might, if I dip into shimmer or duochromes, y'all know this is over. So I might try that. I'm not sure. To pat back and forth into that warning. Looks pretty good so far. Now I'm going to go into this Nectar. Just kind of tap that in. I'm telling you, if you have trouble blending eyeshadows, any of the Blendbunny palettes will be wonderful for you because they blend themselves out on their own. It's hardly any, I mean, as you can see, I've created this in what, less than 8 minutes already on one eye, and it's just come together so beautifully. Her shadows are phenomenal. Well, I think I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, let me go over and do the other eye, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, I got my lashes on. Now, I did put a green liner in the waterline, and I am going to put a green. I'm going to go in between Camouflage and Toxin, just one dip of each. And I'm going to come and do the under eye. Because I do have green in my shirt. I think I like Camouflage better. But I love the color. And I'm going to go in with my Bad Girl Bang on the bottom lashes. Okay, so this is the look. What do we think? Yes, you can see the green in my shirt. There is also some orange. That's where Toxin came in. There is some purple and there is some pink. So what I want to do is I want to go into my Adept Cosmetics Plain Jane Remastered. And I want to dip into this color right here, which is AC 15. This one. And this is a really pretty pink, and then it shifts to a greenish. Let me see if I can get it to shift for you. Pink. I seen, there's the green right there. It's in here. Because of the bling on my shirt, this'll do really nice. I knew I wouldn't leave it matte. I just knew if I opened up a palette, I was going to get in it. Let me spray something on this. But that's me, a girl who loves bling and shimmer and glitter. That's what you get. Oh yeah, there we go. Green. I might put a little bit of that underneath. Oh yeah. Oh, that just took it up to another level. And just place that right in here. Let's spray the brush. More bling. And we will do some up there. What a beautiful look with the Primal palette, guys. I love that green underneath the eye. That is just totally, I'm loving that. I am so in love with that. That MIX pencil and the colors from the Primal palette. I think I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild blush. Maybe I should go in with, well, it kind of matches the tone of the shirt, so it don't have to match exactly the eye look. Oh, I love that under eye. Ooh, it's so pretty. Yep. Yes. That under eye is gorgeous. Gorgeousness. and I didn't put bronzer on, so. And I'm gonna go in with the Jacqueline Cosmetics Iced. So I'm gonna go in with Melrose Place by Gerard Cosmetics. And then I'm gonna go in with Mile High. Yep. This is it. What we think? I love it. I especially love this blush. I think it's beautiful. But the green under the eyes, it makes it. So guys, I hope that you liked this little tutorial of me getting ready to go out to this concert. And if you liked it, please make sure you hit that big thumbs up for me. And if you are not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.